What's up, everybody? It's Crystal Coast Picker, and I'm here with the oldest daughter and the whatever he is, son. And we are obviously at a storage unit. It's been a little bit since I've recorded a storage unit because really, honestly, everything that's been around here has been crap. This one, I'm not gonna say is amazing either. Paid $100 for this one, $10 for the locker fox fee or whatever. But there's one box in here that I believe has some ADIDAS book bags in it, brand new ADIDAS book bags. So hopefully it is, and hopefully that's gonna pan out for us. So we'll see. Hand the stick off to him. It's dark in here, so I'm gonna have to pull stuff out probably.
Welcome to the dark abyss.
Yeah, it's not that bad. All right, first things first. Oh yeah, they're all ADIDAS.
Look at those soccer bags.
Huh?
Look at those soccer bags. Yeah, they are.
Stadium backpack, soccer bags, yeah. Original $60. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. That should ease, even if they're 20 bucks a pop, it's 140. So it's making our money back plus some more. Be right back.
Well, they weren't right back.
Yeah, apparently not. That's awesome to start it off with. Now see, the rest of it looks like crap. It looks like it's just, I mean, honestly, it looks like a bunch of clothes, which that. Okay, that's like a backdrop or something. I don't know. Bunch of clothes. And then those are Reeboks. Those look brand new.
Scrub things.
Poofs, yeah. And a bunch of cell phone cases. Like, I mean, there looks like a bunch of stuff in here that's just random. It looks like a lot of Wish stuff. Oh yeah, just like a bunch of little random knickknacks. Some jewelry down in there. A bunch of stuff that I'll be able to take to like the flea market and hopefully just, you know, put a quarter on or something, just get rid of it. The clothes. Academics, that's a good brand. I thought for a second it might have had to. Oh yeah, brand new with tags. $32 originally. That's not bad. Alexander Julian. Not sure. Put that over there with that. Flying Horse. OG. Yeah, I just think that's. I mean, some of this stuff might be like knockoff stuff too. Evolution in Design. This is just stuff that's probably going to be noise for the flea market. But I mean, Solo Girl. It's not bad stuff. This is Christmas presents again. Second unit of Christmas presents. This looks like a bunch of trash. Just a bunch of hangers.
And really. Candles.
And candles, yeah.
We got a Christmas present.
Yep, it's a Christmas present. What'd I get? It's a teddy bear! It's a PetSmart, so Kylo is gonna have fun with that. Kylo is our half lab, half pit bull. And then a bunch of jewelry. Just a whole crap load of different type of jewelry. More socks, cell phone, brand new cell phone cases, X3, I don't know. More cell phone cases, belts, a bunch of brand new stuff. Like I said, flea market, just take that small box. Put it over there. Well, okay. I don't know what this looks like. Somebody might have put it up as like a background for something.
It looks like one of those backgrounds you'd see like in a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah. A Naxa audio stop system, CD player, cassette player.
Thingamabob.
Thingamabob. This unit is weird. That's a power amplifier. That's on. Okay.
There's the dead body.
A whole bunch of coaxial cords. So I mean, that's really nothing. That's just straight trash. A skill saw. That's nice. And then we got a bunch of clothes. A bunch of clothes with tags. Nova. This actually feels like just trash. Yeah. That's just straight trash. And this is a bunch of clothes that have tags on them. Fit America, that doesn't have a tag. This has a tag. School uniform.
I think it was used for a school uniform.
Maybe. This looks like a little boots.
Pair of shorts.
Yeah. Or maybe women's XL. Another Nova. Another Nova. The Nova stuff, I think, looks like... Yeah. I think a lot of this is school uniform stuff. Yeah, just a bunch of school uniform stuff from Nova brand. A bunch of off-brand stuff. So, I mean, like I said, we paid $100 for this unit, $10 for the Locker Fox fee, so that is $110. If we sell the bags at $20 a piece, which I think we'll be able to get more than that because they're originally $60, that'd be $140. So we'd already make our money back and a little bit more. There's definitely plenty of other stuff in there that we'll be able to make our money with. The skill saw we could sell for probably like 10 bucks at the flea market if I don't keep it. The amplifier I have to look up, see what that is worth. The rest of the stuff is a lot of brand new stuff. These clothes probably just get donated because they're not really that great, you know, to sell. They're just school uniform stuff. But the belts, all the jewelry, I'll go through all that stuff. The jewelry looks like a bunch of costume jewelry, so I'll probably just end up taking that to the flea market and selling that type of stuff. And yeah, I think this was definitely a decent small unit well worth it. Wasn't bad. I'm happy, especially since all those Adidas bags were in there. So, thanks guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Tell me, would you guys have bought this unit if you guys were buying units? It was kind of a last minute thing. I wanted to do a unit today, so why not? All right, until next time. See you.